Welcome to today's tech tip. In today's video, we're going to take you through the cleaning of your 1022. Now, to get the rifle disassembled to this point, please check out our disassembly video that's also available on our website. To get started with cleaning your rifle, you're going to need a couple of items. You're going to need your cleaning supplies, like a bore brush, patches, an oiled rag, and your preferred cleaning solutions. The first thing we're going to do is clean the bore, and we're going to use a solvent patch to do that. Some versions of your 1022 may have a hole drilled in the back of the receiver to make cleaning easier. Going through all the way to the back of the receiver, you can install your patch into the chamber and push it all the way through to the muzzle. Repeat this a few times until the bore is fairly clean. This rifle happens to be fairly clean already. Once you have done that and you feel comfortable with the amount of debris that's been removed, you can switch to your bore brush to loosen up some of the heavier debris. Again, going from the back of the rifle through the hole in the receiver, you can go into the chamber and just give it a few drags through the bore, loosening up any debris. Once that's done, you can then take some solvent onto your bore brush. And you can run this through a few times. After you run your bore swab through a few times and you feel it's adequately cleaned, you're going to go ahead and run another patch through the bore again, just to ensure that everything is clean. You've got all the fouling out of the lands and the grooves. And you're just going to apply a very thin amount of oil just to provide some additional rust protection. So again, going through the back of the receiver, into the chamber, and you're going to run that patch all the way through. And at this point, you can check, verify that there's not a significant amount of fouling and that your bore is now clean. Now that the bore is clean, the next thing we can do is address some of the other components. Starting with the bolt, you can clean the breech face, making sure that everything under the extractor is nice and clear. There's no fouling in any of the channels on the bolt, including the firing pin channel. You can ensure that the firing pin moves and that there's no damage or anything like that to your bolt. So I just run the brush over the breech face a few times, remove any fouling. If you need any solvent or oil, you can go ahead and apply that as well. This bolt is fairly clean, but nevertheless there is a little bit of fouling in there, so just take care of that. And then lastly, you always want to inspect your springs, making sure that your springs aren't broken, there's no fouling on any of the other components. This is your charging handle, and we'll move along that rod. So just making sure that there's no issues with any of these other components is always a good thing to do at the time of cleaning your rifle. At this point, this is everything that you're going to need to do to keep your rifle clean and running smoothly. For more videos, including the reassembly of your 1022, please visit us at Ruger.com.